Alright, so if you have already decided a product that you want to sell on Amazon, but that product is having variation, and now you are confused at how you can list the product that is having variation on Amazon. So if that is the case, then this video is just for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step with an easy method that how you can list a product on Amazon that is having variation. So make sure to watch this video till the end because that can be super helpful for you. So I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify and ClickFunnels. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and sell your product online and build your online business. So if you like my content and if my content gives some real value to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. So in future, if I upload a content like this, you'll get notified. So without any further delay, let's get started. So right now you can see in front of me, I am having a product listing open and this product listing is having some variation. So there are many type of products. Some product having no variation and some product having only one variation like in color or in size or in design. But some product are too complicated and the shoe is the example of that product which is too complicated because it is having two types of variation like the variation in design or color and the variation in size. So you can see this is the shoe and if I want to purchase a shoe that is having a blue color and the size I want is like 6.5 narrow, so I have to select the size, my size, and I have to select my design, then I have to purchase. So if we want to make a listing similar to this or if our product is having two types of variation or one types of variation, so in that case, we have to first decide that how many variations are there for a product and then we have to create multiple listings for multiple variations and at last we have to create a parent listing and we have to embed all those child listing under that parent listing. So let's see how we can do this. So here I'm on my seller central and to list the product first we have to analyze the product that what product is, how many variation are we having in this product and how many listing we have to create. So as you can see here I am having two shoes. These are hiking shoes and I am having one gray color and one in brown color. So here I am having a listing like I have to create total 10 listings, 5 for brown and 5 for gray because I am having 5 sizes for brown color and 5 sizes for gray color. 6 inches brown shoes, 7 inches brown shoes, 8 inches brown shoes and so on. So I have to create 10 listings and then I have to create a parent listing and then I have to connect the child listing from that parent listing. So let's see how we can do it. We have to go to our seller central and as usual we have to click on manager inventory and then we have to click on add a product. So I'm adding a product that is not sold on Amazon. Click there and then this is a tricky part like what is the category of our product. So we have to find a category from our competitor, like in which category our competitor are listing their product, so we have to copy that category. So for that we have to go on Amazon, we have to type the name of the competitor, like we have to search for our product hiking shoe for men's. So as you can see there, all the competitor in hiking shoes men are having their product listed in shoes and bags. There's a main category and the subcategory is men's trekking and hiking footwear. You can see all are having in this category, all are having their listing in this category. So we have to click on the category name. So there we can find out how we can find this category into our listing. So when we click on there, you can see there's a proper hierarchy, like the main is any department, then shoes and bags, then shoes, then men's shoes and so on. So we have to find that category into our product section. So first shoes and bags, here shoes and bags, and then men's shoes, and then fashion, shoes, men's shoes, fashion, and then sports and outdoor, and then trekking, sports and outdoor, and then trekking and hiking footwear. You can see that. So we have finally found the category and from there we can see trekking and hiking footwear. So we can just select the trekking and hiking boots from here and then we are good to go. Now we have to insert the data here for our product, the UPC code, the sizes and all the other stuff that we are having right now. So we have to fill this form and fill each and every data in order to list our product. So right now we are having our data here. we are having a UPC code, so we can just copy there and paste and select a UPC, and then we can copy the title from here, and then we can paste the title, and we have to fill each and every segment unless all these red mark will be gone. So in offer we can just put the price 9.99 and quantity like 10. Right, in the vital info we have to write the name of the brand, Kuzi, and the material is rubber, and department is men, and then gender is male, the size is adult, shoe size we have to like numeric, shoe size with medium, shoe size is actually 6, and the age range is adult, and the color is we are having a gray color and a brown color. So this listing I have to make for gray, and then again gray, and gender is men. Alright, so we have already filled all the data that is required to create the listing, and then we have to just click save and finish, and then our listing will be live in 15 to 20 minutes. You can see there Amazon is showing me a message that our listing is great. So now I have to create 10 listings with the same way I have created this one. Only I have to change the size and the color. Like 5 listing I have to make gray, and 5 listing I have to make brown, and then size is 6 to 10 inches and then 6 to 10 inches. So let me just finish those 10 listings and then get back to you. So I'm back after creating 10 listings of same shoe with different sizes and different colors. So you can see there I'm having 10 listings, 5 for brown shoes and 5 for gray shoes. Now what I have to do is I have to create one parent listing for the same category, same title, and I have to connect these 10 child listing to that parent listing. So we can see the listing on Amazon as a variant. So all these 10 listings will be the variant, will be the child of that parent listing. So let me show you how to do that. So you have to just go to catalog and add a new product. You have to just select the same category as we did for child listings. Shoes, men's shoes, athletes, and then we have to find tracking, and yes, and then we have to just copy the title, and after copying the title, on the variation we have to click on variation theme, size and color, because we are having 2 variation here, one in color and one in size. And here we have to put the data of color and sizes of our children's. So gray, and the size will be like 6, and here 6 as well. So when we click on add variation, you can see that right now below here I have a variation added to this child listing. Although the data is not filled yet, we have to fill the data later, but the gray color with 6 inches size has been added to our parent listing. So now we have to add one by one all the listings to that. Gray, now you can see that we are having all the gray color variation added to our parent listing. Now we have to fill this data, and then we have to add all the brown shoes to the parent listing. So they are asking for the data like gender, male for all, male, 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 male. Now we have filled all the initial information, which is almost same for every variation of the gray color, and we have to leave all this part like shoe range, which we have not filled while creating the listing. Now this is the tricky part. Like you can see that there are 5 variation of size 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and then we are having their color. So all color are gray, and here the seller SKU. So this is very important part. So for the seller SKU we have to go to Seller Central, and then we have to find the SKU for the gray color shoe having 6 inches size. So from there we can see that we are having 5 brown shoes and 5 gray shoes. So at the bottom we can see that this one is a 6 inch size, 7 inch, 8 inch, 9 inch and 10 inch. So this is the seller SKU. We have to copy this, and here we have to paste seller SKU, and to find out the UPC code we have used for it, we have to click on that, and then we have to get the UPC code from here when we click on edit, this one 202. So we have to just put the UPC code here, and then UPC condition new 9.99 and quantity 10. So now we have to put all the seller SKU for other sizes as well. So as you can see here, we are all done with connecting all the children of gray shoes to the parents. Now we have to repeat the same process to add the brown listings. We have successfully added all the gray listing to our parent listing, and you can see there we are having all these listing under our parent listing. So when we go to Seller Central and double check it, you can see there all the brown listing are outside the parent, and all the gray listing, the parent listing is showing us 5 variation. When we click on the drop down menu, we can see all the 5 gray listing under that parent listing. So this is our parent listing having a simple title, and under that parent listing we are having our 5 children's, which are gray listing. You can see that all the listing are having gray color and different sizes. And when I close this variation box, so the parent is closed, and all the brown listing are outside the parent listing because we haven't added the brown listing yet. You can see there we are having only 5 listings. So when I add all the remaining brown listing to the parent listing, so we will be able to see all the 10 listing under this parent. So we can double check this listing by clicking on that. So here is our listing. When we select a drop down menu, so we can see different sizes of that listing. Although we are not able to see the image here because we haven't added yet. So when we will add the image, we will be able to see here. So let us add the brown listing and see if it works or not. So here you can see I am done with connecting all the variations with my parent listing, and here I am having 5 gray listing and 5 brown listing with different sizes. So let's go to Seller Central and see if it's there or not. So yes, we can see that the outdoor hiking boots is having 10 variation, and this is the parent listing. And when I click on the drop down menu, I can see all the 10 shoes listed under that variation. You can see these are 5 gray and these are 5 brown. So these listings are suppressed because I have not added any image, I have not added any description in that. So when I will add all the information, I will complete the information, these listings will be live on Amazon. So if you want to know that how to write description, how to write SEO optimized title, and how to optimize your listing in terms of images, then you can check some other videos on my channel. I have a complete playlist on that. So don't forget to watch that. And that's it for today. If you like my video and if my content gives some value to you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. And don't forget to get your free ebook copy that I'm having for you in the description below. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.